Hello friends, in this video we are going to deal with important events that happened during Jan 15 to 21st of 2024. India has organized its first multi-sport beach games at Gogla Beach in Diu from 4th to 11th January 2024. Total 8 sports were organized in this event and Madhya Pradesh emerged as a overall champion. Madhya Pradesh won total of 18 medals which includes 7 gold medals. We celebrate January 15th as an Indian Army Day. This day is celebrated to remember General K.M. Kariappa taking charge over the command of Indian Army from General Sir Butcher in 1949. General Sir Butcher was the last British commander-in-chief and Kariappa is the first commander-in-chief of independent India. And this was the 76th Army Day which was held in Lucknow in Uttar Pradesh state. The theme for this Army Day this year is Year of Technology Absorption. 54th World Economic Forum annual meeting was conducted recently. What is World Economic Forum? World Economic Forum WEF is an international non-governmental organization for public-private sector collaboration. And this was founded on 24 January 1971 by German engineer Klaus Schwab. This time 54th annual meeting was held in Davos in Switzerland, that is from 15th to 19th January, and the theme is Rebuilding Trust. Operation Sarvashakti. This operation was launched on 15th January 2024 by Indian Army to eliminate terrorists in Jammu and Kashmir state. An initiative called One Vehicle, One Fastag was launched on 16 January by National Highway Authorities of India (NHAI). The purpose of this initiative is to reduce multiple tags per vehicle and KYC violations and also to enhance electronic toll collection efficiency. Pench National Park in Maharashtra has become India's first dark sky park. Let us discuss what is dark sky park. It is a park or observatory that limits or restricts artificial light pollution, and the purpose of this dark sky park is to promote the astronomy. The book called Gandhi, A Life in Three Campaigns was launched on 15 January 2024, and the author of this book is M.J. Akbar and the co-author is K. Natwar Singh. This book deals into the life and struggles of Mahatma Gandhi, particularly focusing on non-cooperation movement, Salt Satyagraha and Quit India movement. We celebrate India's National Startup Day on 16th January of every year. We are celebrating this National Startup Day since 2016, and the purpose of this National Startup Day celebration is to recognize and celebrate the growth and contributions of the startups in the country. NSOIM, National Social Organizations and Institutions Meet, was held from January 17 to 19th in Faridabad. This meet was hosted by India International Science Festival IISF. IISF is a collaborative endeavor between Ministry of Science and Technology, Earth Sciences, Spaces and Atomic Energy. Recently, Assam Vaibhav Awards was held on 16 January 2024, and this is the highest Assam State Civilian Award. In this event for year 2024, former Chief Justice of Supreme Court Ranjan Gogoi was selected, and in the same awards, swimmer Elvis Hazarika and athlete Hima Das was selected for Assam Saurav Award. Recently, Maharashtra government signed an agreement with Inox Air Products for its first green ammonia plant on 17 January. A total of $3 billion will be spent on this plant. Green liquid ammonia will be produced in this plant. Prime Minister Modi, on his recent visit to Kochi in Kerala state, dedicated rupees 4,000 crore worth to the project called Pure Ship Repair Ecosystem on 17 January. This is India's first fully developed pure ship repair ecosystem. This project comprises of 310 meters long dry dock constructed to international standards and international ship repair facility. Ramesh Babu Pragnananda emerged as India's new number one chess player by surpassing Vishwanathan Anand, and he defeated Ding Liren, a world-class chess champion in Tata Steel Masters tournament in Netherlands. The civil aviation show called Wings India for the year 2024 has been started on 18 January in Hyderabad, and this show will be conducted till 21st January, and this is the Asia's largest event on civil aviation. Civil Aviation Minister Mr. Jyotiraditya Scindia inaugurated this event. This event is not only a showcase of aviation industry's latest developments but also a catalyst for shaping its trajectory in the future. India government to end free movement regime to Myanmar. Recently, Union Home Minister Mr. Amit Shah has announced that Indian government will soon fence international border with Myanmar to restrict free movement and also to curb illegal immigration. This free movement actually between India and Myanmar was implemented in 2018. What is India's position in MSCI Emerging Market Index? It is second position. MSCI is an American finance company headquartered in New York. MSCI is a global provider of equity, fixed income, real estate indices, multi-asset portfolio analysis tools, ESG and climate products. Which is the strongest currency in the world for the year 2024? The strongest currency is Kuwaiti dinar. When we convert Kuwaiti dinar into rupees, one Kuwaiti dinar is equivalent to 270 rupees 23 paisa, and into dollars it is $3.25. The Punganur cow is declared as India's shortest humped cattle breed. This Punganur cow, a dwarf breed cow, is a native of Chittoor district in Andhra Pradesh state, and it is of 70 to 90 centimeters tall, and it is of about weight of 115 to 200 kgs. These cows can be white, grey, light brown and dark brown in color. Who scored most centuries in T20 cricket international matches? It is Rohit Sharma. He becomes the first person to score 5 centuries in T20 international matches, and this feat was achieved on 17 January 2024 during the third T20 match between India and Afghanistan. Recently, on 19 January, 125 feet height Dr. B.R. Ambedkar statue was inaugurated by Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Sri Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy at Swaraj Maidan in Vijayawada. This statue is named as the Statue of the Social Justice, and it is the tallest Ambedkar statue in the world. In the recently held 4th Wings India Awards 2024, Bangalore and Delhi airports bagged the Best Airport Award. These awards will be presented by Union Civil Aviation Minister Mr. Jyotiraditya Scindia, and Vistara Airlines bagged the Best Airline of the Year award in the same event. Recently, Persian language is included as India's new classical language. Government of India decided to include Persian language as ninth classical language of India under the new education policy. The first classical language of India is Tamil, and this was included in 2004 as a classical language. Sanskrit, Malayalam, Kannada, Telugu and Odia are the other classical languages. In addition to these, Pali, Persian, Prakrit languages are also must be preserved. 6th edition of Khelo India Youth Games will be conducted in Tamil Nadu, and these games will be conducted from 19th January till 31st January. 4 cities in Tamil Nadu will host these games. Those are Chennai, Coimbatore, Madurai and Tiruchi. And the mascot for this Khelo India Youth Games for this year is Veeramangai. Sue Redfern, who belongs to England, has been named as first female neutral umpire by ICC for the upcoming ICC Women's Championship and also T20 fixtures between Australia and South Africa. So these are the important events that happened during the third week of the January. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.